everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys do not know who I am, hi, my name is Sabrina, Isabelle, and welcome to my channel. And it's just around the corner and Valentine's Day is coming up, so I want to create a look for you guys using the new Morphe 15S palette that I bought recently. I really love the way they actually did the packaging because I'm a sucker for it, and the packaging is just so catchy. I love the way how they make the name metallic. So this palette is called Social Butterfly and it is the artistry palette, and it contains 15 different shades that actually catch you in the spotlight. I wouldn't say no. So here's the palette right here, very cute, very simple, very matte, very black. That rhymed. But this is a palette right here. They do have a very nice colorful range, I would say. It's because you have your greens right here, you got your black, you got your blue, but it has purple undertone to it. Then you have your purples right here, you have your pink, your maroons, your transition shades. Then you can actually create like a number of looks when it comes to this palette. So using this palette, I actually created this beautiful look that I have going on today. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started right now. So the very first shade I'm going to pick up is called #makeover and just apply that to my base for the crease. So I'm going to bring this shade upwards towards my brow so that it gives my eyelid more space. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to go and pick up is called #besties, and I'm just going to apply that at the crease area. When there's lesser product on the brush, I'm going to feather it upwards towards the brow and mix it together with the #makeover. Why I do that is because I don't want my crease to be so harsh and so pink, because we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. So our entire lid actually will be covered. I'm just trying to create my crease. So the next, I'm just going to go and pick up any concealer and conceal my eyelids. Alright, for my inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and pick up the shade called #Bay and apply that to the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to go ahead and pick up is called #Influencer, and I'm going to apply that to the outer V of my eyes, mixing it together with Bay so it just blends together. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up the shade called #NowTrending and just pack it on top Bay and just give it a little bit more sparkle because I find that the shade was a little bit too matte. So we're going to brighten it up a little bit. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and pick up the shade called #makeover and apply that to my lower lash line, and then I'm going to mix it up together with #influencer and just going to smoke out at my outer V just to match the top of my eyeshadow, guys, so it just sinks together. So my waterline, I'm going to go in with Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade called Berry Fan-tastic and just apply that to my waterline. For my eyeliner, I'll be going in with the Benefit Roller Liner in the shade Black. So once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and apply my false lashes. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Lilly lashes in the shade Luxe. And then for my mascara, I'll be going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara and applying that to my lashes. Why you want to use waterproof mascara? Because it's Valentine's Day and your boo is going to surprise you and probably you're going to tear. Okay, so basically the eyes is already done. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my bronzer. Okay, so my bronzer, I'll be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the shade Earth. And this is the shade right here. So I'm just going to apply that and carve out my cheekbones, forehead, nose, jawline. For blush, I'll be going in with Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. For highlighter, I'll be going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And just dazzling my face up, guys. So we are done. I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my contour. Let's go and bake. I'm going to bake my contour just to clean up my lines. And I'm using the L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder. So once that is actually sitting down, you can go ahead and apply your lipstick. I am going to go in with Too Faced Metallic Sparkle Lipstick in the shade Too Too Hot. So if you don't want your lipstick to be so red, you can go in and mix it up with a little bit of a nude. I'm going in with the Smashbox Liquid Lipstick in the shade Babe Alert and just apply at the center to just make it a little bit ombre. Alright, so once that is done, you can go ahead and brush off your baking powder. So as you can see, it just carves out so nicely and it doesn't leave any residue behind, guys. So basically we are done. What we have to do right now is seal this entire thing up right now, like the masterpiece we have created. We need to set our face with the most amazing product, which is the Auburn Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray, which is oil control. Even though you are dry to normal or oily combo, this sets your makeup in place and it would not move. You'll enjoy your Valentine's Day, guys. Trust me. And I don't know, something about me, when it comes to Valentine's Day, I'm actually very, very girly. I always like to play with pink, purples and maroons and everything. I don't know, I'm just girly when it comes to Valentine's Day. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this video. If you guys want to follow me in my social media, go ahead and follow me in my Instagram or Twitter. I prefer you guys, of course, to follow me in my Instagram. A lot of shit in Instagram, so go ahead and follow me there. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.